Hello, I'm Mike. There's no avoiding it. Steelmaking environments are demanding on equipment. The dirt, heat, and collisions are inevitable. A lot of EAF water-cooled power cables come through the shop showing signs of extreme wear and tear. Not only are steelmaking melt processes demanding, but production schedules can be unforgiving. In our experience, environmental EAF cable failures typically suffer from ambient heat, molten metal splash and spills, and chafing and friction. There are some solutions to consider. A variety of protective material coverings are available to steelmakers to prolong cable life and avoid unexpected and expensive failures. Not only is uninterrupted coolant essential to electrical efficiency in power cables, but the EAF cables are subjected to physical abuse because of electromagnetic field movement. The impact of 2,000-pound EAF power cables crashing into one another is extreme. We recommend taming these heavy, large cables with 3 different options. First, 2 to 3 inch thick vulcanized hard rubber bumper hoses are available in 2 different designs, a spiral wrap and annular. Bumpers are constructed directly into the hose during their manufacture. Helical or spiral wrap bumpers that covers the length of the cable offers the most area protection. Annular bumpers also offer very good protection and the greatest flexibility. Annular bumpers can be vulcanized or manually installed. Mechanical installation was common until about 15 or 20 years ago, but is costly to install and relies on a great deal of hardware and stainless steel banding that risks catching during impact. Additionally, individually installed bumpers will often slide from their original position due to collision impacts. Mechanical installation of the annular bumpers has fallen out of favor. A second option for EAF cable collision protection is hose over hose, using a thick-walled high durometer hose over approximately 80% of the insulating hose. The outer hose offers added protection, but it's expensive, it takes up additional space, and it limits the bend radius. Lastly, a non-magnetic stainless steel mesh can be considered for EAF cable protection. This mesh is good for lateral chafing, but is expensive and will retain heat. Our advice, talk with your cable provider about the best protective coverings for your application. With these simple additions, you can increase EAF cable life and avoid unscheduled interruptions to your melting operations.